Hey guys, so I'm just gonna get right into it. So this is my natural lips. Anyway, I have some peeled parts of my lips that I'm trying to conceal. That's why I wear liquid lipstick. Anyway, this is Candy K Velvet. They have a matte and a velvet. I got the velvet because I wanted it to be not as drying on my lips. And here's the wide shot with terrible lighting, sorry. This is KHLO Money. I'm just showing you my teeth to show you that I don't have any lipstick on my teeth. Here's the wide shot. And now here is clips of me putting it on. So the Candy K Velvet comes with, a lip pencil. I don't really know how to use lip pencils, but I assume that you use it to outline your lips. And then I read in other people's blogs that you fill in your lips with the lip pencil. So I just did that lightly, but it didn't make sense to me, honestly. So it covered up some stuff. And now I'm putting the Candy K Velvet on top. It took me a while to get used to this formula, and it seems like I'm actually putting it on pretty quickly and pretty seamless. But when I first got it last week, it was a mess all over. It took me like 10 minutes to put it on semi-perfectly. Again, I'm not really a lip expert or anything, but I just use liquid lipstick to cover up my, peeled lip parts. So yeah. But anyway, it looks good so far. It goes on a lot lighter than I like, but it turns out okay. And then I took that off and I'm putting KHLO Money on, or Chloe with a money sign. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but yeah. I expected this one to be a little bit more brown and pinky because when I saw it on other people, it definitely looked more nudie and more brown. But on me, it actually looks way more pink and salmony than I thought. I don't hate it. I'm happy that it flatters my skin tone to some extent, but I am kind of disappointed that it just wasn't more nudie. Like with both of these lipsticks, you can just tell that I'm wearing lipstick, and I just kind of wanted to really find one that didn't, but that hasn't been in my experience so far. Anyway, I'm fixing out the edges. Anyone else do this with their finger? But yeah, I definitely like this one more than Candy K, only because it just flatters my skin tone more. The formulation's all right. I don't know if I'll repurchase, but yeah, anyway, hope you guys like this video and thanks so much for watching.